Hi everyone, Daisy here with a quick kind of clean with me slash check out my new rearrange of my furniture. I did a clean with me back in February, I believe, and obviously my craft room has gotten messy many times since then, and I have also rearranged it many times since then. And this is my most current setup, and then I will do a quick little tidy up with me. It's not too terrible right this second, but I mean, it's kind of a mess. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and put it on fast forward. And well, actually, I'll probably do the kind of show you my room first, and then I'll put it on fast forward and do the tidy up. So hope you enjoy. Bye. Okay, so my room is also the family room. So it is, not just my mess, but I moved these crates over here, and they kind of hold my books and my magazines and some, random little bits and things. I have a lot of laundry in this room and packaging, for crying out loud, so much packaging. This holds like all of my printed out photos that are older. More packaging. I'm pretty sure that's empty. This is pretty much my go-to scrapping stuff. And like I have cardstock and pattern paper, more cardstock, mixed media, random stuff, more random stuff, more random stuff, more cardstock, stickers, scraps, stickers, mixed media, stickers, stamps, tools. There's a little drawer thing over here that has stickers and cut files in it. And then this is my kind of decoration. It is 2 o'clock in the morning here, so my lights are kind of weird. So bear with me. This is my work bag. This is a pile of stuff I just got. These are my photos. And then my desk setup. So I haven't shown this yet, but this is my new camera holder situation. And it is just made out of PVC pipe that I got at Home Depot. And I just put it together myself. I cut it and everything just kind of clamps together, or, like these poles stick into the little end pieces there, and you just click it together, and yeah, it works really well. I did have it like 3 feet high, and then I had to shorten it because otherwise I had to zoom in a lot. These lights came from Amazon. I got them from Christmas. I use a webcam for my recording and then just my computer. This is where I usually keep projects I'm working on in kits. That is mask stuff. And then back here is where I'm storing everything, because I don't have any closets in my room. So I have a bin that is sad to say, but it's all full of yarn because I also crochet. This is my bin of finished projects. This is all of my Spio Mom Scraps sequins right there. I think 2 of these are empty. One of them has my daughter's layouts in it. Some other scrap stuff, sewing stuff, more sewing stuff, more sewing stuff, more sewing stuff. Let's go around here. More scrapbooking stuff like stamps and re-inkers and more stamp pads and things. And these are all finished layouts that don't have albums to put them in. Because I've kind of given up on the buying of albums. So I just kind of stick them in that bin. My sewing machine, I keep my Raskog heart over here, and it has all of my thickers on top, mixed media in the middle, and then these little bins with some of like my favorite collections and other little bits. I have stamps hanging here underneath my desk. This is my recycle bin and my garbage. This just is my silhouette box that I store some stuff in. And then I have this iris case cart that I keep all of my scraps in, and I have them sorted out separately. I think in August I had a Love Your Scraps series, and I went through how I organize those. So if you're interested, I will try to remember to link that video either up in the cards or down in the description box. Then I have all of my pattern paper in this magazine thing. This is a sweater pattern I'm working on. This is a project that I've been meaning to do. This is my extremely disgusting carpet. It needs to be vacuumed, but other than that, it's disgusting anyway. Just random stuff I need to put away. More random stuff. Iron, my drying tool, my degree, just a mess. This is all my workout stuff. Some fabric that actually has been just living up there. This is my beautiful sweater that I made, but my sewing desk, which I have just recently gotten a whole bunch of new houseplants. So right now it is doubling as kind of my sunny window houseplant thing. My silhouette lives there. More yarn, more yarn, more laundry, more laundry. Sleeping dog under laundry. Look at him. He doesn't even care that he's like knocking all the laundry over. And he's snoring away. And then over here, I have sewing stuff. Ooh, some barefoot wine spritzer things. More yarn. Random storage box. That's actually an alcohol box. My printer, patterns, sewing stuff. This has mixed media in it. This has embellishments in it. More yarn. And then this just stores some like personal items and things that I didn't really know what to do with. So, try not to make you dizzy. We're gonna go slow. Oh, it's making me dizzy, so maybe look away. Okay, so basically for the clean with me, I'm not gonna do any of the like family stuff or the laundry stuff, but I would like to clean off my desk. I'd like to clean up kind of my shelves a little bit because things have just gotten, you know, shoved in there. And maybe clean up my Rascog because you see I tend to pile things up there. So I'm gonna put you on fast forward and we are gonna get picking up. Okay, so what I like to do when I do my cleaning is I like to kind of pile everything together because then I can find the like things and put them away at the same time so that I'm not like, because I store my scraps in bins and so that way I don't have to pull out the same bin multiple times. So I try to sort everything first. So there you saw I have all of my embellishments stored by manufacturer or designer in one of those bins that have, I think I got them from Michael's and they have like rainbow colored stuff in it. And yeah, so I just had to put a couple of those bins away. This is how I store my kits, is in one of these like page design things, and I'm putting away my hip kit right now. This was actually September's hip kit because I filmed this a couple weeks ago. But yeah, just putting everything away in there. I did add a few extra things to that kit because I was running low, so I had pulled out a couple of things from my stash to kind of supplement it. And now I'm putting away this kit. So in August, Christy and I had done the Shop It or Stash It kit, and I had some pieces left over, so I am putting that kit away now because I'm finished using it. And that basket's just how I store my 6x6 and 6x8 paper pads, and then I just have a lot of pattern paper to kind of put away. I did not get through this kit very well because I got sick, so I do have quite a bit left over. And I just keep putting stuff away like where it belongs on my shelves. My shelves are very, I don't know if I said this already, but it is an organized chaos. I know where everything is. So even though I said I wanted to clean it up a little bit, I really am not actually doing much. I'm just like putting paper away and stuff because I know where everything is. So to me, it makes sense even though it looks messy. And frankly, I don't care like what anybody else thinks, even though it's my family room. Like, nope, sorry. If you don't like it, go in the living room, you know. So here I'm just sorting out my different scraps because I have different bins. So this one here is for cut aparts. This next one I'm going to pull out is like smaller pieces of scraps, and then I have that big bin over there that has large scraps. That is my microphone that died, so I'm just going to find a place to put that. I got frustrated trying to fix it, so I'm just going to put it away, and then maybe I'll pull it out and it'll just magically work. So I had that leaf that one of my kids brought me, so I put it in a book to kind of flatten it out, and then just putting inkers away and these few little bits of foam. And really, you know, once I sit down and actually do this, this only took me 15 minutes. And it makes the world a difference. Like, the clutter in my mind kind of goes away a little bit so I can focus a little better. So it really does make a big difference to, you know, take 15 minutes and just pick up your space, because it does kind of put you in a different headspace when you're creating, and it makes you feel maybe a little less chaotic. Even though for me it's really hard to do because it kind of stops my creative process, you know. Okay, so I took about probably close to 15 minutes and just picked up. I still have to take my garbages out, but I'll do that. I didn't want to do that while I was filming, but I basically cleared the top of this off. I cleared my desk off. I put away a kit that I was no longer using for the month. This here is my like scrappy planner, along with the photos that I'm planning on using this month. I have to do a haul video on this and this, so I'm setting them out and I'm going to film that now. That's a note for my kids that I don't want to misplace. And then just really, I didn't do much with up here. I just kind of dusted it off. I put some things away on here that needed to go away. I mean, this is what it is. It's pretty messy. I do have to push those papers back in, but it's like organized chaos. I know where everything is. So what I'm going to do now is take my garbages out and take all this packaging out, and then maybe get rid of the laundry, and then it'll be ready to vacuum tomorrow when everybody else is awake. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.